Okay, do you believe there needs to be a restructuring in the party, Pratima?
Very much. We need a vibrant president, we need a vibrant leader of opposition, we need vibrant heads, to roll. We need good district committees, we want good youth leaders. Not that we don't have, we have, but we have to build up more. Mahila. So it has to be, we have to be aggressive, we have to be on the streets, we have to be we have to act and we have to be as a good opposition.
मागीर तुमी तांकां कावंटर करपाक हांगा प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आनी तुमी सांगलेले की बाबूश मोन्सराचेर कितले केसी आसा ते फॉल्स आसा ताका फॉल्सली इम्प्लिकेट केला डू यू स्टील स्टँड बाय दॅट स्टेटमेंट टुडे
See, I am honestly telling you, I still remember the statement I made and I stand by it. I said the matter is in the court. The matter is in the court and court will decide. Simply because somebody calls you a rapist, you can't be a rapist.
But you said that
It has to be proved.
But you said
So,
that he was falsely implicated.
Babush might have left the party today and gone and become a BJP MLA today. But that's not my style, I'm a person of credibility, I've got some caliber in me, I've got some self-respect. Just because they said he's a rapist, I would not say. I will still stand by my word. I will stand by my word and I would like to say the court, the proper court will decide that no matter what, Pratima is here to stay, Pratima is for the party, Pratima will serve. And Pratima, without expecting any positions, these positions what I've got is high command. Believe me, when I was made the Mahila Congress president, I was on my way in the car driving. I was not even aware. I got the message on the digital saying that Pratima Coutinho, Advocate Pratima Coutinho is the new president for Mahila Congress. And then I got a call. So these are the positions which are given, responsibilities given. I don't take this as positions. These are the responsibility given. And I feel अच्छे दिन आएंगे, हमारे भी अच्छे दिन आएंगे.
बाबू आता बीजेपीन गेला सो नेक्स्ट लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन कोण असतो
होय आता नाही आमच्याकडे उरले 5 जण.
ऑपोजिशन लीडर
एक म्हणता तो दिगंबर कामत, एक म्हणता तो रेजिनाल्ड बाप, एक म्हणता तो लुझी पलेरो, एक म्हणता तो रवी नाईक आणि लास्ट म्हणता तो प्रताप सिंग राम. So I think they should sit across the table, decide and take a call.
मेळटा तशे
They have to sit across the table because one of them, they can't be two leader of opposition. There has to be only one leader of opposition. There can be only one president. There can be only one leader of opposition. They can't be two. So let them sit across the table. But whoever takes on, he has to really take the charge and work. And we are there to support it. I'm in this party for the last 23 years. I'm in the Congress party for the last 23 years. I joined at the age of 18 as just an ordinary booth worker. From there I went as a block president. Then I went on as a general secretary. When I had gone for a training of Aam Aadmi Ke Sipahi in Hyderabad, Rahul Gandhi then sent orders that I should be made as the vice president of Youth Congress, looking at my work and dedication. Later, I went on becoming the elected corporator of Margao municipality. I was elected as the deputy chairperson of Margao municipality. And then when Rahul Gandhi came with the election system, because there should not be partialities, election system, that is the time the Goan youth reposed faith in me and I was elected as the first lady youth congress president of Goa. Later on, I went on becoming the general secretary of PCC at a very young age. And when Rahul Gandhi gave me the responsibility of Mahila Congress president, everyone in Goa, you all know, especially the reporters, you all know, you all have always been there covering up our issues. Whichever issues, wherever injustice done, whatever margai जाऊं, अत्याचार जाऊं, कितने margai जाऊं, we have always stood. Today we are facing cases on me. As I told, FIRs, cases on me, different courts. I am paying bonds, even in the children's court, even in MAPSA court. We worked so much, and Mahila Congress had only demanded one ticket for Lok Sabha. We will not deny that. We thought that one seat is required for a lady. But somehow leadership must have thought that Pratima is more needed or required in Goa, I don't know. And there were many people telling me that you have been so honest, you have been so loyal, and you've done so much of work, then why don't you quit the party? Why don't you contest independent? Why don't you join on contest on other ticket or everything? But there's something called ideology, as I said. I am a person with credibility. I don't mind sitting at home than hopping and jumping.
The Congress said when Vijay Sardesai went over to the BJP, they said that this was a betrayal of the popular mandate. Today he has been betrayed is what the Congress says. In your opinion, do you think that tomorrow if he comes back to the Congress or decides for an alliance, are you in favor of it?
See,
He or the party called Goa
see,
Forward?
you said in 2017 Vijay went to BJP and supported him. I think in Fathoda there was a BJP candidate. Vijay had contested on Goa Forward, right? People had voted him. People had voted him because they didn't want BJP. Am I right? And when he was elected, that was his choice. That was his personal choice. And we cannot interfere. But थंय खंय तरी लोकांनी मॅन्डेट दिल्लो कोणाक BJP नाका म्हणून. Here I want to tell that BJP party believes in use and throw. And when I say that, you will see, आयज तांकां कळपाक बरें तेन्ना लोकांनी ताका सांगलें तेन्ना ताणें आयकुना की ही पार्टी हो पक्ष तुका यूज आनी थ्रो करतलो. कित्याक आयज एलायन्स पार्टनर तेंचे कोण आशिल्ले? एक MGP आशिल्ली आनी एक गोवा फॉर्वर्ड आशिल्ले. हेनी तांकां एक्चुअली पावल्ले. हे तांकां पावल्ले. आयज MGP खंय आसा आनी आयज गोवा फॉर्वर्डाची स्थिती तेणी खंय पावयल्या ती आयज लोकांकय कळल्या आनी ते एलायन्स पार्टनराकय कळल्या.
इतले 10 जाण तुमचे बराबर आसपाक रिस्पॉन्सिबल कोण? 10 जाण तुमचे बराबर आसपाक.
They are not kids. They are matured individuals.
No, who is responsible?
Somebody will teach you and you'll go. Don't this responsibility कोण responsible तेजेर आमी लोकना. कित्याक कोण भुरगो ना. प्रत्येक आमदार वयान matured आसा. They are matured MLAs. Why did Reginald didn't go? Why Reginald didn't go? Reginald is in opposition now. Reginald also could have said development Zaimon. How Reginald is fighting and getting his things done in the Kurtori constituency. So there is something called development and there is something called self-development. And here 3 वर्षां भितर जशें हांवें सांगलां तशें I don't think these people are going to give or fix golden tiles to the voters. Development म्हणून म्हाका इतलेंच सांगपाक जाय. कसलें डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक आसा तुमी? लोकांक भांगराचे नळे घालून दिवपाक आसा? I have got to fix golden tiles for the people that you all are talking about people's development. खंय तरी आयज एक व्हिडिओ सर्क्युलेट जाल्लो आसा. व्हिडिओ इज गोइंग ट्रेंडिंग चालू आसा ताजें that the CM of Goa, that's Pramod Sawant, 2 months back, pending elections, Nitin Gadkari येयल्ले त्या मिटिंगाक तो उलयल्लो. वाव, कितें उलयल्लो तो? He spoke something like, think whom the Congress has given the ticket. He's got smuggling cases, he's got rape cases, extortion, तें. अरे, आमी तुका एक सांगपाक सोदता प्रमोद बाब की U-turn मास्टर म्हणटा तूं बिगस्ट ब्लास्टर म्हणटा तूं. आयज तुका ते लोक बरे जाले आनी त्यो बायल्यो आशिल्ल्यो पळय महिला तांच्यो मंडलाच्यो कोण ते कुंदा चोडणकर, शीतल नायक, कोण वैदेवी ती आनी तोंड घेवन प्रेस दिताली की चलयो आनी बायल्यो सेफ आसपाना म्हणून. आयज चलयो आनी बायल्यो म्हाका दिसता सबंद पणजेच न्ही गोंयांय सेफ आसा आनी दे आर फिलींग मोर सेफ. Anyways, I would like to say before I wind up that a clarion call, as I've said, let's strengthen the Congress party and a promise, commitment to the people of Goa that we will not shy away. We are committed. In the past also you all must have seen, we have stood. We might not have positions like MLA or ministers, but yes, we are happy working for the party. लॉयलिस्ट म्हणून आमी सदां रावल्या, डेडिकेटेड वर्कर्स म्हणून रावल्या. आमचो आवाज हेणी केन्नाच हांकां बंद करपाक जावना आनी हेज्याय मुखार दे वील नॉट बी एबल टू स्टॉप आवर वॉयसीस.